Welcome back, comic collectors and diecast enthusiasts, to another Friday edition of Curbs Garage. Got a box opening. Is wondering if you can guess who it's from. Lower corner of the box there. Hint, hint. I do know what's in here. At least one thing that I asked them to make me, and excited to share with you. Some of you may already know what it is. Seen it on Instagram. Our good buddy Steve Young at Miniature Mustangs. Another one of the most talented customizers. And it looks like he sent me not one, but two. So I think I know. I'll open this one first. Great job packaging. Oh, wow. This is very cool. Nice little surfing hearse. Pretty boss, red flames, tinted windows. Got the boards properly put on the top. Blown engine. Got some moon eyes going on. Oh, looks like a license plate. Very sick. Thanks, Steve. Super stoked on that. Love wagons. Alright, next up. This is gotta be the one that I asked him to make for me. You know, Steve, he's really into co-oping his 70s Batmobiles, and I'm super into that. So I asked him if he could make me one, and he did, and get her open. Of course, excellent job. The Mach 5 as a Batmobile. So stoked on that. I always wanted it. My brother made me one, but it wasn't quite as detailed as Steve gets. Love that he put the checkered board on there. Great job on the M and the 5. Even kept the red Batman logo on the back. Great job, Steve. Thank you so much, man. It's super, and I'm going to show you why this is important. I'm going to kind of park him right there. Because we have, I don't don't think Steve didn't do this one, but he does something like this. This is the General Lee. And then here's what I do believe Steve made me this one here. This is the golf livery. And then here's the Ghostbusters. That was one I bought at a company meet. And here's the one my brother did. So I got that improved, even though he did a good job. Let's see here. This is Mike Dyson wheel swap. It's from a Super Toy Com. There's a custom Christmas candy cane one. There's a little pastel pink one. It was nice, dark. Looks like a dark brown. And here's one, kind of a really blood red. And then Steve made me this guy to match my 1/64 scale, the tuned in the golf livery. And while we got your attention, I might as well show you some of the other ones I got. Futurista, or whatever this car was that the original Batmobile was made from. Here's the first release. There's one with the, I know what those are called, but there's 5 spokes on it, but those aren't the 5-spoke wheels. P5s, I think those are called. There's another one. This one, I believe, was part of a Halloween series. And here's another one. I did have a list of all the different ones and what series they came from, what year, but that video's up. You can go back and look if you want. There's another one. It's a flat black. Pretty cool. Different pin lines on this one. And here's the blue. Gray with the ghost flames. That's another variation. Maybe that's a premium with rubber wheels on it. Here's the ID. There's the burgundy variation, satin. Here's another one. These all have subtle differences, different wheels, different tampos. There's that gold one. We have another one here. I think that's a premium one as well. Kind of a midnight blue. And then last but not least, probably should have showed it when I was showing the customs. But we got the Hewitt's custom. As well. So nice add to my custom Batmobiles. Super stoked. Finally got a nice Mach 5. Thank you, Steve, so much. Awesome work. And hope you guys enjoy your weekend. I have so much stuff to show you. It's probably going to be a lot of content in the next few days. So stay tuned. Again, thank you again, Steve. I really appreciate you, brother. And take care. Happy hunting.